Yeah, just like new. So my shift lever, they retightened it for free down here. So I could be in for smoother shifting now. Welcome back for a new episode. Terry here on Down the Road Productions, and today this video is covering our new clutch fluid. I am letting the dealer do it versus me doing it myself. One of my degrees is in economics and business management. I've always been a firm believer in the opportunity cost model. If the cost of my time, let's say, is $100 an hour, I would have spent at least 3 hours, $300 on top of the cost of materials and supplies to do this on my own. It's about 30 minutes. I can wait up to an hour. These are all reasons why I'm letting the dealer do the clutch fluid replacement. It's good to have you here. We think of you. And let's have a good episode. And if you're new to this channel, give us a like or subscribe. Hope you're having a great day. So let's do this video. Let's go. Hey guys, like I said, Terry here on Down the Road Productions, and welcome back for a new episode. Today's pretty straightforward. I've never done the clutch fluid on our 2020 Triumph Rocket 3 GT. It's about $80 or $90 to do this at the dealer, and I get a 10% military discount, so it could be like an $82, $83 repair. And you know, they can do it for that amount of money. Now the big thing is, I'm going to Dick Scott Power Sports in Livonia, which is over 30 miles from where I live. I'm on my way right now. Detroit Triumph is out of business and gone. The best thing about this though is that it is an extremely nice ride out to Dick Scott Power Sports in Livonia. Mostly 2-lane, nice scenery, and all that good stuff. What we got here is a really nice sweeper. A lot of fun to go through this on any motorcycle. Kind of give it a nice lean and come through here. The road I'm on is called Long Lake Road. It's really good for riding. This will take you out to, if you're from Michigan, you'll know this, out to Pontiac Trail, which is another great motorcycle ride. I'm on my way to Dick Scott Power Sports in Livonia. That's what we're doing. We've gone 11.6 miles. I've been on the road for 25 minutes or so. And one of the ideas I have for Moto Beeline and motorcycles in general, I am a type 2 diabetic. Here we go. I'm getting audible alerts over my phone through my Bluetooth in my ears. I'll get beeping. It's beeping right now because I'm below 100. I think it would be great if motorcycles could give health alerts, like on the TFT, or products like the Moto Beeline can offer health alerts through their devices, whether it's heart rate or diabetic alerts. That would be such a great idea to have diabetic alerts on the Moto Beeline or through the TFT from Triumph. Just another quick check. I've gone 18.9 miles, been on the road 39 minutes and 53 seconds. My appointment's at 11, it's 10:25. Everything's great so far on my trip to Dick Scott Power Sports in Livonia. I mean, what a beautiful ride. I just love it. I mean, if you don't ride motorcycles, this is why you do it. On the way, a little bit of a construction zone. I gave myself a lot of space, and I'll tell you why. With the car in front of me, he's kicking off exhaust smoke and heat, and you'll just bake on your motorcycle like that. You want to be careful going through areas like this. All right, coming up on Dick Scott Power Sports. What a nice ride, folks, in spite of some slow drivers in front of me. All right, coming around here, rock the house. I haven't been here since last year. It's been quite a while since I got the tires for this, or actually since they redid the wheel bearings. I come flying through here, and here we go. Just like this. Dick Scott. So the trip was, I'm going to shut this off. Not bad, so let me get off of this. We'll keep going. Appreciate everyone for watching the video and for being here for this clutch service on a 2020 Rocket 3 GT. The decals are new, the Detroit, Michigan decals. All right. I came back from a trip to Arizona, and Those are probably just bug splashes.
Yep, looks like it.
Came back from a trip to Arizona, and I'm at the airport, and I saw those, right? $3 a piece, airport pricing. Oh, look what I got here. I got the, I'll take it off. The Moto Beeline.
Okay.
It's freaking awesome. It just twists off like that. I'll keep it in my pocket.
Very nice.
It is the best navigation, Malcolm.
Yep.
See how it looks stock, doesn't it?
So far?
What?
It hasn't led you wrong so far?
Oh, it's done great. It's loaded with features. I mean, the best thing it does is, like, when you're on a road, it gives you all the side streets. Because you know how you got to watch side streets for cars flying out like they always do?
Sure.
It gives you the side streets all the way through the ride. And it's like so cool. And it looks like it's part of the bike. Is it all right? It's a little bit dirty. I rode it to the shipping channel yesterday.
I'm not worried about dirt. I'm just
Oh, let me close this here, all right? And when I left, hey, check this out. When I left AJ Salt Docks up in Marine City yesterday, I had lunch with my wife and her mother. I left this open, and my hat I have on was right here. I didn't lose a thing doing 65 for about 30 miles.
Really?
Because my wife was in front of me. I was following her and her mom home, right, in their truck, and I just didn't want to stop. And a guy is at a light is like, "Hey, your bag is not closed," right? I'm like, "Oh shit!" And I just figured I'd already lost my hat by now, so I just kept it that way till I could really stop, because I didn't want to lose my wife. You know, she would have kept going, I think. I think it's real close to 19,000 miles. Is it on? Oh yeah. Is it green?
Come on, bud.
I'll hold it down. There it goes. Okay, and do that.
18979.
Yeah, and actually too, you know, I'm going to film it rolling over 19,000 miles on my way home. That'll be a YouTube short. See how I do my business. If you hold the hold it firm for me, I'll just sign it. Do I have to sign it?
Yeah, right underneath my writing there.
You didn't find any damage, right?
We do have a small scratch on the top of the tank right here. That's what we're
Oh yeah, that'll rub out. All right.
Also get one on the front page as well.
Yeah, thanks for holding that, because on my other hand.
Sure.
Right here?
Yep, that's green to the total of 92.78.
Showing you guys how I ride, even in hot weather. I rest the clear visor on top of the camera here, with the black visor down. Yesterday, I'll try to get closer here, I got hit twice, here and here. If I hadn't had this visor down like this, may have hit the black visor, or it may have hit me below the black visor. So, and there was another hit here. So just want to share that with you guys. And this lets in the right amount of ventilation, believe it or not. Working pretty good for me. And this is Old Faithful, this helmet. Super comfortable, Scorpion. I've had it now a few years. It started the channel with us. Just super comfortable. I've replaced the interior here once already, and I just washed it here a week or two ago. It's fine. And this here I got meeting Adam Sandoval. This is from Daytona Bike Week. The last time I was down there, I stopped by Daytona Triumph. And remember, when life gives you lemons, make lemonade. Well, I want to show you guys the 2025 Evel Knievel edition, and I like it. It's got the Evel Knievel signature on the seat. So this is a Rocket 3R. The tires here are blacked out, of course. The bike now comes with Metzler tires, so I think Triumph Motorcycles got the memo and they don't offer Avon Cobras anymore. That would be fantastic, so I'm glad that problem's gone away. There you go, and here's your numbering. This bike is number 250. I'm sorry, number 280 of 500. And here you've got this So here's the downside. These are just decals. These are going to get peeled off. Though they're going to pay the price in the sun. I already know it. So, I mean, if you buy an Evel Knievel Rocket Edition, buy a backup set of decals for the entire bike. Okay? And just put them away. Because I don't think these will last long term. I'm talking like 5 or 6 years with heavy use out in the elements. It's got the European style left and right turn signals. And of course, they don't want people sitting on it. A good looking rocket. It's one of the best looking rockets I've seen. Oh, there she is, gonna walk outside and ride her home. Time to wrap up. Thanks for watching this episode. $92 and some change, and then a $3 service fee for using my credit card. But that's okay. And they tightened my shifting bolt. It was loose. I'm glad that got taken care of. They did that for free. That was nice of them. Guys, thank you for watching this episode. Again, you know, I approach things from a consumer point of view, and that includes an opportunity cost point of view. I'll give the example again. If the cost of my time was 75 bucks an hour, I would have taken at least 3 hours to do this on my own. And then on top of that, buy a clutch fluid pump and pay for the synthetic oil somewhere. This was the less expensive alternative and got a great ride out of it. I'm gonna ride home now. Appreciate everyone. We're on your side. Hope you enjoyed this video. Remember, if you get knocked down, get back up, and don't give an SHIT on what other people think of you. I say that with all my heart. You guys have a great day. Until next episode, we'll see you. This is Terry from On Down the Road Productions. Take care.